Okay, welcome back to our class, guys. So let's continue from where we left off from our last class. So in today's class, let's take a look at our label for email, our email form. So we'll be changing this name, this elf name to email, then change this one as well to email. Then our text. So our text now, instead of a text, we'll be having an email there to specify that yes, the type of input we want is emailed input. Oh yeah, the same thing with password. So we change the text to password to make the user know that yes, we want a password input. Then change our ID to email. Then we change our first name as well, our name to email as well. Email. Then our place order, we will give it a sample of email, which is s, let's say spants as gmail.com. Now let's take a look. Oh, let's add our break tag there. Break tag. Then let's check our web. You can see we have our email. Then to write our phone number as well, we change this to phone. Then this one as well, phone. So our text now, instead of email or text or number, we'll be using tel as telephone. You can also use number though, but tel is more professional. Then we change this one to phone. And change this F name to phone as well. Then the place order, we'll be giving it sample of phone number. So let's say 1 2 3, close the brackets, then we give it 008, give it 914, then give it 0167. Let's give it a sample of what you want from them. There we have a break tag. Let's check. As you can see, we have phone number and we have the sample there. So let's create our last label for today, which is label for how to create a label for date of birth. So yeah, we'll be changing it to, you can either change it to DOB, which is date of birth, or just put it as D, or B date. Then here changing it to birthday. Sorry. Date of birth. So here will be DOB. Then our text will be date. Wait, first of all, let's leave the tab alone. I want to show you guys something. So here will be DOB, and here will be DOB. There won't be place order for that. We'll be removing our place order. And let out our break tag. Now here if we should add text here, or we should add number, let's say number, and we check our web page, you can see that in the input box there is only our telephone number pad there. There's nothing that indicates us to choose a date from the input option. So here is because of the type that we are going to change the type to date. Once we change to date and we go back there, you can see that we have a low icon there. If you click it, it will bring dates for us to select what we want. So that is why this type is mostly important in our input. Just like I've said at the beginning, that depending on the user input that you need, you can set the type attribute to whatever you need, like whatever you need from your users. Just like the telephone number, we put it as tel, the email we put it as email. So always make sure that the type attribute of input is it correlates with your label, with the correct label. So thank you guys for the class, and see you guys in the next class. Bye bye.